This demonstration will show you how to using the emergency torch to charge your iPhone. The sample iPhone is an iPhone 4S. First, you need to connect the wire between the torch and the iPhone, and then start to winding. As soon as the winding starts, the phone will picking up the charging, starting with at 87% of the battery. Winding should be at a stable speed, about 3 times per second. At 156 winding, there's 1% of the battery gain. Now the reading is 88% of the battery. As you keep winding, you will get more battery charging. This demonstration is gonna end soon. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy your emergency torch.